Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you want to make money from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be sharing some quick and easy tips on how to make money online. Tip number 1. Take online surveys. All you need to do is sign up for a survey website and start answering questions. It may not make you rich, but it's an easy way to earn a little extra cash on the side. Tip number 2. Become a virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners need help with administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing email, and social media. You can offer your services on freelancing websites such as Upwork or Fiverr and make a decent income while working from home. Tip number 3. Sell products online. This requires a bit more effort, but it can be a lucrative business if you find the right niche. Tip number 4. Start a blog or a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for a topic, you can share your knowledge and experience with others and make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. This requires dedication and patience, but it can be a fun and rewarding way to make money online. Tip number 5. Teach or tutor online. If you have expertise in a subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor or teacher. You can find opportunities on websites such as Teachable or Udemy, or even offer your services independently through social media. These are just a few examples of ways to make money online. With a little creativity and effort, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!